What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-5 remote key fob. This Mazda CX-5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob, we notice one side has a logo and one side does not. So on the side with the Mazda logo, what I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver and come down here, and I'm going to get in between the black plastic and the silver metal piece like this. Just get under there and pop that cover off like that. Once we get that cover off, we see this little circular cover right here. For this, I'm going to come into the side like this and pop that cover up. Once we get that cover off, we see our actual battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout right here in this battery holder that will allow you to get your screwdriver in there and get under the edge of the battery. Get that old battery out. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then I will grab this circular cover, snap that back on, and then we'll snap this cover back on. And if you notice on this cover, there's this tab right here. That tab is going to fit in this notch right here. So that's what you need to line up. Line that up, and then it will just snap on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.